Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today, of course, it's an unboxing. So let's get this thing out of the box. We can take a look at it together. I don't remember exactly the name of the watch. I know it's a square watch. I think it's Serge. I believe it's called Serge. So here's the case. Actually, I like this nice little wood box here. It feels quite heavy. Looks to be bamboo, if I had to guess. I'm assuming this will just slide off of here. There we go. Okay, well, caught that on camera. I guess that's not the way to open the box. Screwdriver. Whatever this thing is. Hope I didn't lose anything else out of here. It looks like it fits in there like that. So that's probably for the spring bars or for the bracelet links, perhaps. I don't know. All right. So if you get one of these, don't just tilt it over. You have to kind of peel that foam out, I guess. Yeah, this, wow. I don't know what kind of metal this is. This is kind of a weird watch. Very interesting. It almost looks like, I would say cast aluminum, but it's heavy, so it's not aluminum. It's, yeah, I don't know what this is. So I'll have to look that up. Very interesting. Let's see what the case back says. Serge watch. 20 ATM. I think this is Model 1, which makes sense because Model 1 on here. So Serge watch Model 1. I'll have to look up what material this is. I guess it's probably just stainless steel, but it has a really kind of a weird, it looks like a hammered finish. Very interesting. So a screw down crown, some sort of mechanical movement, automatic movement, hand winding, of course. Yeah, all right, well, let's get this on wrist, and I'll have to look up the information on this, and I'll post it in the description below. I do like the color scheme, though. It does have applied indices. I like the blue dial with the orange minute hand. The second hand, it goes all the way out to the edge. I thought it stopped at that lollipop, but it doesn't. So it's almost touching the chapter ring, really. Well, it's not really a chapter ring. It's almost touching the inside of the wall there. All right, yeah, let's get this on wrist, and we'll close out the video. Might be my shortest unboxing ever, and very perplexed with this watch design. Let me know what you guys think of this watch. It's probably one of the most unique watches I've had on the channel. Yeah, very interesting. Then we can zoom out and see how it looks at the little bit different of a perspective here. I don't think I've ever had a square watch like this with the round dial on the inside. So if you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Like the video and leave a comment below. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.